Knock knock!
Who's there?
Galunggong!
Galunggong who?
Ang galunggong sumayaw, galunggong gumalaw. Wow! This is one of my favorite pasta dishes. Hello guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you like, share, and subscribe. Today another pasta recipe, very simple but yummy. Prepare the following ingredients: 4 cloves of garlic, 1 onion, 5 pieces of olive, dried basil leaves, salt and pepper to taste, and of course, homemade Spanish sardines. First, cook the pasta al dente. Then, saute garlic and onion. You may use the oil from the pasta sardines. Guys, our video on how to make homemade Spanish sardines will be uploaded soon, so stay tuned. The list of ingredients is posted at the description box below. Let us wait until the onion becomes translucent. Now, let us add the olives. Of course, mix well. Now, let us add our Spanish sardines. Mince the sardines. Guys, let it simmer for 3 minutes. Add the pasta and toss. You may add extra oil from the sardines if needed. Now let's add the pepper, basil leaves, and salt. Dried basil will add more flavor to our pasta. Turn off the heat and toss the pasta very well. From Gigi to very fancy pasta dish. Now let's taste it. Our pasta is al dente. Guys, this is really delicious and flavorful. Try it and you will never regret it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.